So there's this new AI tool that I haven't seen a lot of people talk about. It's called Pixverse.ai. So basically, you guys know about the AI. So basically, you guys know about the AI tools like Midjourney that turns text into images, or even better, in video that turns your prompts into full-length YouTube videos. NVIDIA grabs stock images from the internet and puts it together to make a full-fledged YouTube video with the subtitles and the narration. So it technically doesn't straight up generate a video from nothing, but Pixverse does just that. It turns a simple prompt into a video from scratch. Fully AI made, no stock footage at all. And it's still in development right now, but you could try yourself and it's pretty good. So I'll leave the link in the description for this website. You could do it online, and you could also join their Discord community. So this is their website. I'll leave it linked in the description. It's not affiliation. It's not an affiliation link or anything. This software tool is completely free. So as we go down, there's their YouTube video. It's a sci-fi trailer. It's AI made, by the way.
It's impossible. We were wrong. The signal is lost.
Yeah, you could just tell how good this is. Look at this imagery. This is all AI made, no stock footages or anything. Here are more examples of different things it could do. So like an astronaut gallops on a majestic white horse across the vast expanse of the starry night sky. And we have just that. Obviously it's not going to be perfect because this horse does have 5 hooves, as you could see there. Underwater bioluminescent cute tiny creature macro art. Pretty cool. So like not only could you just make videos, you could also just straight up make art. Like look at this. I could just take a screenshot of this and it's art. So basically, if you don't have Midjourney or you don't want to, if you don't want to pay for Midjourney or Leonardo or something, you could just go on here and it'll give you one just like this. It was a bit more. This one's really good. Very hyper realism. This one's really cool as well. We just have many things. You could check out their Twitter as well. They don't really post much. They just post different types of arts. But we'll go ahead and get started in the web. Alright, so here are more stuff that other people have uploaded. You could like them and stuff. Fast red car. You could also, I'll get into this a little bit later. You could also take the seed of this prompt or whatever this is. You could take the seed, and when you go make your own, you just paste that seed in, and it will like bring in the seed. It will make it look like this, depending on what you put on. Depending on what you prompt is, it will make it look similar to this. And I've noticed that most of the videos aren't longer than like 5 seconds, so there's a time limit. You can't choose how long you want it to be. But you could choose as for it. Look, like this looks real. This looks straight up real. It's going crazy. So what we'll do is I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy the seed We don't really need this. Our style realistic. Let's go create our own. So we're just gonna click. You can either click go create, or you could go to create button over here. So we have this. You put in a prompt. So we'll put woman hiking on, or woman hiking with, I don't know, with dog. We'll put that negative. So this basically, if you don't want something in your prompt or in the image, so once you generate it and it adds something you don't want, you just go back over here and put the negative prompt of what you don't want. So like if the sky was blue but I want it to be cloudy, I'll be like negative prompt blue sky. So it will no longer show a blue sky. So let's just do that. You could choose what type of one. I'll do realistic. There's anime style and 3D animation. There's only 3 as of now. We'll go with realistic. If you've seen here, these are some examples I made. I try to make them a lot more complex. Like, I don't even know what this is. Very weird. Yeah, this guy doesn't look okay over here. He's supposed to be a grandpa, but I don't even know what happened there. So we'll put in the seed. Boom. Now we have our seed and we'll create. It's creating. It takes time. Alright, so when I did that, I put in the seed and it gave me this image. It looks nothing like the original, but I'm guessing it's because I put in the negative prompt, which is blue sky, because it's the same seed. It is the same seed. They're all 16:9 aspect ratio, so I did it again without the negative prompt, and it turned out pretty similar, I guess. This dog is looking a little bit odd, bit peculiar, but there's actually a new tool I haven't seen. It was not here last time I used this, so we'll go over this later. But I want to go over the other styles of artwork this tool could generate. So we'll just go in. I'll try to make it as complicated as possible, but somewhat constructional. So we'll do Godzilla rising from the water. From the water at a beach with planes flying above. We'll go with that. Correct that. Negative prompt. I don't want anything negative. We'll go 9:16. Something you could upload on Instagram, on TikTok, some stuff, something like that. I'm just gonna make a random seed. It doesn't really matter. I mean, it does matter, but you could always change it up later. We'll click. It does take a while to generate these. It takes around like 2 minutes or something, which is not that bad, but compared to the other AI tools out there, it is pretty slow. Oh Lord, what is this thing? This is the end product. As you can see, it's only 4 seconds long. Like I said before, it's no more than 5 seconds a video. But it did do everything I said. I mean, Godzilla isn't rising from the water, but he is at a beach, and there are planes flying above. And some could argue that this is Godzilla. So there's some other tools over here like Upscale. Upscale started so you can check out all of my videos. So basically, this is everything I did, my videos. And you could upscale this. It's upscaling the whole the whole video, I mean. Another tool is retry. You could regenerate this. But we're gonna go ahead and do some other things while we wait for this. So when you go to create, again, image to video. So I've actually not seen this before, but I could somewhat guess what it means. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get an image of a classic image everyone likes. Hold up, go. Okay. And then you can just tell what to do. Okay. So I'm okay. All right, so I'm gonna drag this image here. It's a Goku one. He be Gokuing. All right, why didn't that work? Okay, wait. Oh, please enter name. What? What am I gonna name this? Test image query. Are you? Oh, okay, so I'm guessing I have to drag the image on that little box. So go ahead and put that there. Bro, work, you bastard. Hmm. So I'm guessing this doesn't work because it's not letting me upload. Oh, okay. Okay, so you have to click upload file instead of upload assets. Don't know why. It is a bit strange. So we have this classic image of Goku. So I'm just gonna write Goku getting angry. I don't know if you have to classify Goku as a person or you could just type in Goku or just type in getting angry. I'm guessing you do have to specify. You know, C doesn't matter. Strengths of motion. I don't know what this means, but we'll put it to the max. Click create. Hopefully it doesn't take. Okay. And speaking of which, it upscaled. Or this no, this is not the upscaled version. This is over here. So if we go to my videos, yeah. This upscaled. I don't know. I think it's like just higher quality, I guess. Just so it doesn't waste so much software power on creating one that you might not like. Yeah, you could tell there's definitely higher quality, but this retried one, this is so much better. This is actually so much better. It's not really an image, or it's not really a video, but it looks really nice. Like, I'm downloading this. So to download it, you just click this download button over here, and it'll be downloaded to your browser. Now we go to create image to video, and the video is processing the image. So we'll wait another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 minutes. We'll wait another 2 minutes for this video to be processed. Actually, while we wait for this, I want to talk about the advantages this could bring for you and like any business you want to start. So as you could see, we have a picture of a woman that looks like basically really realistic, right? And if you guys have been seeing, so this is an image right here. This is an image, and you could make them move basically. And what you could do is you just take the seed. You could just generate a random woman, right, on Midjourney or Leonardo, bring them here. And if you have been seeing on the internet, there's a lot of people creating fake AI personalities. Like there's this woman who is not real, but she has a lot of followers. She's basically just AI made. And this is what you could do with that. You could make a social media page about one person that doesn't even exist. Just like this, you just get a random picture of an AI generated woman or dude or whatever. You put him here, and you make a move for like an advertisement or something. And another way is if it's just creating AI digital art, which does do good in these freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, to just generate images that people would buy because they just don't know how to work them. They're old dudes, you know? So this is what you could do with that. Or another way which no one is doing is people will hire you to make their images move. So if they have an image of a dog, you know, dog that passed away, they want it to move, you just put them in here, make them move, and you charge them a fee. Or another way is if you just want to make a simple PC mobile background. You could just make one. Look at this. Who wouldn't want this as a background in their PC? You sell them as stock images. There's just so many versatile and just so many different ways you could monetize this. And it's free. Like, why not try it? Anyway, so it created it. Look at this, bro. Look at it. From this to an actual moving image. This is actually very crazy. Like a very crazy software. You guys have to try this. Send me what you guys got. There's just so many different ways to make money with this. Like, why not try it? I probably will be making a second video on different ways you could make money with this tool. And I'll also be talking about other AI tools that are pretty unknown still. A lot of people aren't talking about it, but this, just give it some time and it's gonna overtake Midjourney, all them stuff. All right, that's it for today. Hope you guys found some value with this video. If you have, subscribe and like the video, bitch. All right, cut that out. That's it.